How to export Wanderlog to Google Maps. First, open wanderlog.com and log into your account. Open the trip you want to export. Now switch to the map view of your trip. This shows all your saved places, hotels, restaurants, and stops. On the top right side of the map, you'll see an option called Export to Google Maps. Click on it. If it's your first time, Wanderlog will ask you to connect your Google account. Select the Google account you use on Google Maps, and give it permission. Once the export is done, open Google Maps. Go to Saved or Your Places. You'll see a new list with all the pins from your Wanderlog trip, exact locations, saved spots, everything. Note that Google Maps will import your places, but not the day-by-day route lines. You'll get all the locations as a saved list. And that's it. That's how you export any Wanderlog trip into Google Maps in just a few steps. See the customer support if you need more help. Thanks for watching.